Hi, we are going to continue our calculations on the market ratios still for chapter 8 for questions Dolly Corporation. So we have calculated the new earning per share previously in the previous video. So the next we are going to calculate the dividends per share. But do not confused with these two. The EPS and the DPS is two different things. EPS is actually indicates how much money a company could make for each share of its stocks. So how much money that the company could earn or could make for each share of its stock. On the other hand, the dividends per share is actually the declared dividend for each shares to be paid to the shareholder. So jangan tertukar. EPS adalah berapa jumlah money yang company itu dapat earn atau dapat dia jana untuk setiap share yang dia keluarkan. So how much they could earn. Okay, ini akan didorong oleh jumlah sales dan profit yang dia akan dapat, right? But for dividends per share adalah jumlah dividen yang dia akan bayar kepada shareholders. Juga didorong oleh berapa earnings dan income yang dia dapat for that particular year. But jumlah dividen per share dia akan paid out kepada dia punya shareholders. Okay? So, jangan tertukar. So, let's take a look on the dividends per share calculation for this question. So, macam mana kita nak kira dividend per share? Right? So, for dividend per share or DPS, the formula is annual dividend paid to the common stockholders divided by number of the common stock outstanding or NOSO, number of stock outstanding. So, what are the dividend paid? The total annual dividend paid to the common stockholders. So take a look on the questions again. It mentioned over here the total amount of dividend declared is RM 500,000. So we are going to divide it by NOSO, which is this one, 10 million. So kita kena bagi 500,000 bahagi dengan 10 million. So you akan dapat, yes, RM 0.05. So this is the correct answer lah. 5 sen untuk 1 unit share for the DPS yang akan dibayar kepada pemegang saham. Okay. And other than DPS, we also have the dividend payout ratio, which is DPR. So, dia tanya, number 3, what is the dividend payout ratio? Okay. What are the formula? Formulanya adalah kena ambil DPS tadi bahagi dengan EPS. So, kita dah ada the DPS which is 5 cent. Bahagi dengan EPS baru ya. EPS yang baru, the new one that we have find in the question number 1 which is 92 cent. So 0.05 bahagi dengan 0.92. So you will get this amount lah. Okay, 5.43% in percentage. So the dividend payout ratio is in percentage of 5.43%, right? So this is the DPR. And the questions also ask to calculate the PER, which is the price earning ratio. Okay. What are the formula for price earning ratio? The market price divided by EPS. So in the question, it's stated over here, its shares is currently priced at RM 2.50. So this is the market price divided by the EPS of 92 cents. So kena bahagi dengan EPS yang kita calculate dalam soalan 1 tadi, which is 92 cents. So RM2.50 divided by 0.92. So you will get 2.72 times. Remember, untuk PER jawapannya adalah dalam bentuk times. So it's a kind of ratio. Price earning ratio. So 2.72 times. Okay, next question adalah return on investment. So what are the ROI? So ROI is being calculated by net income after tax divided by the total asset. So we do know the one that we have calculated earlier, the net income after tax, you kena ambil yang baru ya. So 9,200,000 divided by 15,000. Sorry, 15 million. It's already given in the questions, which is it's stated over here. Its shares is currently priced at 2.50 cents and the value of its total asset is RM15 million. So dia dah stated dekat sini. Kalau dia bagi dalam bentuk balance sheet, maka you kena tengok dekat total balance sheet tu what is the total asset lah. Cuma dalam soalan ni dia bagi dalam bentuk sentence macam ni, dalam bentuk ayat. So you kena cari what are the number of total asset. So 9.2 million divided by 15 million. So you will get 61.3%. Jawapan untuk ROI mesti dalam bentuk percentage lah. So you will get 0.613, right? So darabkan kepada 100 untuk dapatkan dalam bentuk percentage. Okay. Next adalah ROE, return on equity. So return on equity you have to calculate by this formula. Net income after tax minus preferred stock dividend if available, divide by total equity. So in this question there is no preferred stock dividend given. So you just straightforward use the net income after tax bahagi dengan total equity. So it's stated over here the firm stockholders equity is amounted at RM8 million. Jadi kita ambil 9.2 million divide by 8 million. So you will get 1.15 or 115 percentage. Yes, agak besar for this one. So this is your answer. Okay. And last, the question asks you to calculate the book value per share. Okay. So the book value per share. The formula is total equity must be divided by NOSO or the number of stock outstanding. So the total equity already given the question of RM8 million. So kita bahagi sahaja dengan 10 million number of common stock outstanding. You will get how much? 80 cents. Okay, so this is how we are going to answer this chapter 8 for calculation part. Sorry. So this is the way you answer. If we take a look, the questions is quite pretty much marks for this question overall for 14 marks because each and every components that you calculate here there is marks for each and every answers, and the real final exam for the way you calculated also there is mark for that. Okay, so that's why soalan ni banyak markah dia, right? 14 marks. Okay. So ini adalah contoh untuk soalan market ratio. So you can do the rest in your textbooks and try to find the answer for each of the questions. So good luck.